Back to Reporters Diary. It's now time for our quarterly deal tracker from Grant Thornton. We are now joined by Prashant, Mehra, partner Grant Thornton India, who will give us a roundup of the latest happenings on Deal Street. Hi Prashant, my first question to you. Deal Street has picked up. What are the big trends and quantum of deals that we have seen in the last month?
So the 6 months to 2016 have been quite exciting actually on two accounts. One, we've clocked over 1100 deals contributing about 38 billion dollars. What's been interesting is that this itself is about a 10% growth in value terms from last year. But what's really interesting is the change in mix between M&A and private equity. M&A itself has contributed about $28 billion, which is about a 33% increase in value from last year. Cross-border has been almost flat, so the key driver has really been the domestic M&A deals, with some of the very large acquisitions in the manufacturing and core sectors to do with consolidation, which is the Reliance ASL merger, the two cement deals, the Nirma Lafarge deal, as well as the Jayaprakash deal, have been significant contributors to deal values. Private equity has gone down. Last year it was about $12.4 billion. This time it's just about $8.4 billion, which is $4 billion less than last year. As far as sector trends is concerned, the core sectors continue to rake in high deals, whether it's manufacturing, telecom, pharma. All these have contributed over $20 billion to deal values. But as far as the private equity space is concerned, most of the money, which is about $4 billion or so, has come from startup and IT, ITES and the BFSI space.
Like you said, Prashant, one of the things, PE action was actually tepid due to high market valuations pushed up by liquidity. Now, with markets showing some weakness, are we going to see private equity action pick up?
Yes, I think private equities have been struggling with the exits. So, but I think the next big opportunity for private equities would be alternate financing, which is to back large corporates for driving consolidation in their respective industries. With the absence of acquisition financing available in India and Indian corporate balance sheets doing well but not too well to shuffle out the money for a large acquisition, I think private equity backing would be primary there. And with all factors looking up, the startup IT, ITS sector kind of tepid now. I think we're going to see some significant movements of private equity investments in manufacturing and retail and consumer industry.
All right. And what, according to you, are the top deals of recent time and the big theme on the deal street?
As I mentioned, the flavor has clearly been domestic M&A, and within domestic M&A, consolidation. Within consolidation, again, core sectors consolidation. We've had some consolidation in telecom, which is the Reliance ASL merger. We've had again two large deals in the manufacturing space, cement manufacturing. One is the Nirma Lafarge transaction, and the other has been in with the Jayaprakash Industries. These three really make a chunk of the domestic M&A growth there. And I think we're going to see a similar trend in the next quarter or so until we reach the end of the calendar year.
The flavor has definitely been domestic M&A. Thank you so much for joining us on the show.